allow can't stop it. Child allow can't stop it. Nobody can stop it.
From Friday Ngu. Now December, in an accident on 2nd of December, being on Monday. Then in the night, then watch the accident. But in the morning, then J.A.3 and well anything and had him fit. After the test, Ngacha had discovered that in well anything urban men. Then only runa January, 13th of January. Then name we pains here. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't lie down, I couldn't sit down. Then now walk around. The pains are too much. Another Nangaga S3 then Nga S3 we the results. We get doctor need check the results. Same Nanga Anache go back to the S3. Then Nachazu to the S3. Hame repair the thing. Meche we get the doctor. Doctor same na this thing had clear very well. Namnachi je we get her. Ni on a forever nan. At this point there we C1 to C7. Mana here we table C1 to C5. Then na 2 adero. Nachiazo. The man na run test. Na run test. Or on charge the test. Only with the 5. Or on charge the test. Only with the 5.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And the thing was here too much. The man was there another person. See in order to help him. The person watch how he game. Or see no mega that one. Or see I'm going to try get change your chemical. Get me in this way. See okay. They made that one with the 1. Or for the with the 1. Then about 6. For the 1. Then that one can actually. Chokata the 1. He wait through the 1. Then Nachiazo to the doctor. Then the doctor waits him now. Now this thing is too much. We recommend them to Memphis. Nange jekwa another S3 there. And now the S3 is 70,000. Then Nanje the S3. Nanga prepare one for surgery. Na call that there ba. Nanga prepare one for surgery so that Nage actually the bone no the whip the bone. And now the surgery will cost me 1.something million naira. My auntie I prepare going for the test. My auntie say Mumba. Now before I got the test, then I be at the church. I be at their church. Go for their pastor.
The pressure was too much, so we don't know what to do. He insisted that he must go for the test. I said no, you are not going for the test. That this situation will never defy solution because I know the commission I belong to. That if the case defies solution here, which I know it will not defy solution, that we are going to Abuja. And already the doctor has told him to go to the church where he belongs, let him go and beg for money, to go to the community, to go to his friends, beg for money.
That is
for the surgery. That the surgery would take up to 1.something million. I said it's not going to happen. Let's see our pastor first. So that Friday morning, I came with him and saw our daddy Ipila. He prayed for him. After praying for him, all of a sudden he just removed the neck collar and started doing. The pastor asked him to do what he don't do before. He started doing what he don't do before. All of us were happy.
This Quran, can you know? Then when we put the Quran, we say na Maria na dey mefu before. Then bend that down, pick something. Before I can't do like this. Before I can't carry my head. The head is too heavy for me to carry. Then bend that down. Then I now do my head like this. Before I can't do like this. But after the prayer, I can do my hair like this. Then I check the prayer, I say that I'm healed. I should go back to the place, made the X-ray. Then I made the X-ray again. Then I check the X-ray, I take the results. Then Nachizia as well made the X-ray. He made the X-ray. Then we'll find out now. This is not the X-ray, but 7. That's 7 now. Wow. This year complete.
Pastor Ipila said that we should go and do the test so that we'll confirm after he has prayed for him. So when he went to that particular place that he did the test, they started shouting, Oga, what happened? What happened? What happened? Is it you? Is it you? He said yes, that God has done it, that he wants to do the test again. So when they did the test again, they discovered that the 7th bone has appeared. Very faint. Look at the one.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
So, Simba nanga beba kene Chineke na.
Nobody can stop it. Nothing can stop it. You are coming back with your testimony. You are coming back with your testimony.